ChatGPT has reportedly crossed 1 billion monthly active users, according to Reuters. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. It was reported on estimates from market intelligence firm Sensor Tower, and if this is accurate, that makes ChatGPT the fastest app to cross the threshold, beating apps like YouTube, Google Maps, and TikTok. And of course, this includes all the other AI competitors, like Anthropic's Claude as well. The milestone comes roughly 3 years after the ChatGPT app launched on iPhone and Android devices in 2023. However, this huge win wasn't revealed by OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT. Typically, companies are eager to share such milestones as soon as they can with their users, but they'll have to wait and see if OpenAI has anything to say. AI use has been booming ever since companies have increased adding it in the workplace, and tech firms, which continue to rapidly invest in the infrastructure to support it. It's also quickly becoming more integrated across tech ecosystems and has taken center stage at industry events like Google I/O and Microsoft Build. It's also expected to be shining heavily at Apple's WWDC 2026 next week, which is rumored to feature a revamped Siri with more AI capabilities. It's said that OpenAI is expected to file for an IPO this year. Recently, Anthropic has also confirmed it's filed initial confidential paperwork with the SEC to go public. SpaceX, which now includes Elon Musk's xAI, is also expected to go public soon after its May filing. All three IPOs could be among the largest in the stock market history. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.